Yata naka-play.
Kaya. Tolentino, 2 points.
Basahan na lang kita.
Pasa kay number 13, pasa kay number 22, lumabas, 2 points. Kuwaiton, 2 points. Tama pero tumatalsik no? Ganda ng pasa. 2 points. Kay Amboy. Amboy, pakondisyon ulit. 2 points by number 8. Tell the shoe. Bong by Noy Allen. Bumangga. 2 points by Allen Robles. Amboy. Back.
Kakainin sila dyan sa bubog fight.
2 points. Pasa kay Noel. Bago sa Sonic. 2 points. Hindi ba? 2 points. Feel ka pa. Pinangga. Pang! Miss. Manasan. 2 points. 2 points by number 23. Manlasan to number 14 to number 23. 2 points. Pinasa kay Ran. Ridley na. 2 points. Skill by number 11. Number 11. Easy 2 points para kay number 11. Kinadalawa. Sonic Drive. Floater. 2 points para kay Sonic. Sonic to Ran. Ran to Sonic. Sonic to Ran. Paris kayo. Yeah, 3 points by Sigin. 2 points by Sigin.
Hindi ka na kasi natabi kasi nakablagis.
Bang time.
Si Mama lang, okay na ba?
Pakalkan yan.
Two boys. Mateo, 3 point attempt.
Layo. Narinig ka mo.
Reverse. 2 points. Alasan, 3 point attempt. Takes. 2 pointer is good. 2 points, 5 feet. Martin. Grabe naman yung pasa ngayon. 2 pointer is good. Kaya number 18.
Kaya na pare sila. Patay.
Body mastery. 2, 3. Pass! 2 points by number 2. Pass deep. Takes. No good. Rebound. 2 points by number 10. Number 11. 3 point. Short. Reverse layup by number 23. No good. 2 points by number 11. Still by number 14. 2 points is good by number 14. 2 pointer is good by Basas. Still by number 23. 2 points is good para kay number 20. Reverse layup. 2 points by number 22. 11. 2 points. Rebound by number 18. 2-pointer. Bam! Pass to number 34. 2 points by number 95.
Aray. Putang ina, pinalok-dok ako eh.
Mag-isa na lang. No good. 2 points by number 34. 7 minutes remaining. 2-pointer is good para kay number 4. Mateo, floater. 2 points is good by Mateo. Ganda ng pasa na yun. 2 points by number 22.
Sige yung may tinta pati dyan.
Deflected by Dibal. 2 points. 2-pointer.
Punong-puno ng kumpiyansa.
10 seconds to shoot. Reverse layup is good para kay number 22. No good. Rebound by Ran.
Sa'yo ka dyan.
Bang! 3 points.
Kahit malilit na ako dito.
Palasan. Number 22. 2 points. 15.
Uy, ano ko muna siya?
2 points is good. Two. Seconds remaining. Jumpers, 2 points is good by number 1. Penalty, no good. Rebound by Sonic. Pass to Palasan. Palasan, 2 points is good by pass to number 1, 3 points. Back.
Naman pare.
Another one by Palasan. Number 11. Mga 2 points by number 11. Still by number 20. Mag-isa, no good. Rebound by number 11.
Michael, oh.
2 points is good. 2 points is good para Palasan. 105. Bang! 3 points by Mateo. 2 points is good para Palasan. Another 3 by Liam. No good. Rebound by Dibal. 15 seconds remaining. 2 points is good. 5 seconds remaining. Okay. Naitawid natin. Thank you, thank you.